Spent the day at the gym?
I drove out to the country.
How was the house?
Survived the winter.
Plumber turned the water on?
Yeah, Rosaria was cleaning when I left.
Why didn't you stay?
I had to make it back.
Georgette Klinger.
No,
Tai Chi.
no.
Let me guess. You went to the Zen Center.
I I wanted to chat with the new priest.
Oh, the cute young priest.
I had a minor moral question.
Cut the crap.
It had to do with the food on this table.
Had enough macro? Tofu with scallions. What's the sauce?
Sesame oil.
Out of a bottle.
I didn't say I slaved over it.
And this is what? Oh, Jen, what is that?
Okay, just hear me out.
It's some sort of meat.
Eric, we must eat flesh tonight.
Eat flesh? Have you gone crazy?
It's organic.
Of course it's organic. It's flesh.
I mean, no steroids or antibiotics.
Who guaranteed you that?
Eric, the bird is from the wild.
Bird? It looks like a tuna fish salad with a chicken leg stuck in the middle.
I had to shred the creature.
And why didn't you shred the leg?
The leg was intact, so I left it. I feel ill.
I'm not eating this thing.
We've got to. I killed it.
You what?
I
You-
ran over it with the Mercedes.
With a chicken?
No, a pheasant.
Call a nutritionist.
It's a higher matter than that.
Call your therapist.
For a massage?
Not your massage therapist, your analyst, for goodness sake.
She'd only want to know what we think about it. The Zen priest said if we take it into our bodies, it'll re-enter the life stream.
It'll turn to poo-poo, that's all.
Fuck you.
Listen to me, Jen. Nothing in Buddhism says you have to eat it because you killed it. Murderers would have to eat their victims. This is obscene.
Are you classifying me with...
Okay, you didn't murder it. Okay, you ran over it, and as a result, what do I say? Yeah, you killed it.
I did not murder this bird.
I didn't say you murdered it. I said you killed it only.
I tried to save the fucking thing.
Okay, take it easy.
It was flopping around in the road, limping, dizzy.
Oh,
I lifted
man.
it by its wings and threw it into the back seat and nearly killed myself driving to the vet.
Wait, you went to the veterinarian with this?
He worked on it for an hour.
He worked on this.
It died in his hands.
Oh, this is an expensive little dish.
He didn't charge. But it cost us $60 for the container.
What container? That's a little casket.
The whole thing is made of pressed oatmeal, so it's biodegradable.
Get that thing off my dinner table.
They were going to incinerate it.
Isn't that what you did anyway?
I roasted it.
Oh, great. She's gone over the falls. Should we eat every mosquito we slam?
You rotten...
Gag on the cockroaches. Yeah, those cockroaches that you and I put away in our lifetimes. You and I, we gag on them.
What do you want me to do, you son of a bitch?
Throw that thing in the garbage.
That's not right.
Then go eat that disgusting thing.
Okay. You take a bite, and I'll take a bite, and we'll put the rest in here, and forget this whole thing.
A casket made out of oatmeal.
Just a pet casket.
A pet.
It decomposes and makes the animal one with the earth.
It'd be one with the earth if you left it on the road.
The crows would have picked at it.
Oh, so calm. We're two giant crows at a dinner table in Soho, picking at a bird that was run over by a Mercedes-Benz in East Hampton. You're getting a part-time job.
You're freaking me.
I'm freaked. Get that casket off my dinner table.
Listen to me. I don't know how things got this far, okay? But just end it and put the thing in the oatmeal thing and bury it.
Who bury it? Me bury it? Should we bury our toenail clippings? How about the hair we cut? In teeny-weeny oatmeal caskets. I'm gonna call Ruth's emergency number.
Call for yourself, Wimpella.
Wimpella? Wimpella!
Just taste it. I said taste the goddamn thing and stop being such a troublemaker.
What can I tell you? It's actually not bad.
Are you kidding?
You marinated it.
I used olive oil, ginger, lemon, pepper.
Oh, Jen, remember duck?
Duck, my god.
Lamb chops? Bacon?
Ham Hawaiian.
Ham Hawaiian?
Shut my mouth.
Oh,
Don't tell me your tooth.
asphalt. Now you eat.
No.
What?
Meat. Disgusting.
A swallow? Swallow?
Oh, there, I did it. I feel dizzy.
Okay, now, why don't I go down to the dumpster and heave this little heave? No ceremony.
First, put it in that.
Tinfoil doesn't decompose, darling.
So what the fuck am I to do? Here.
What's that?
Bones. Now put on the lid. God. Thank you. I have lemon tarts for dessert.
No lemon tarts. Tonight, we fast.
Thanks for understanding the silliness.
Can you handle the truth, honey?
What?
I understand none of this. Now just stay here, and when I get back, we'll watch a movie.
Say a prayer for it?
I'll think of something.
His name is Rex.
He has a name.
It's a male. When it was flopping in the back of the car, I had to talk to him and...
Rex, fine. Now, mourn quietly till I get back, and then we forget Rex forever. You get that, Jen?
Yeah.
Listen, no matter how much wine we drink, we never tell this story at a dinner party.
I swear. Goodbye, Rex.